So this is our Harlow mini greenhouse. It's the 3'4" version, the 1 metre long version, and the Harlow is designed to be nice and low, so it'll go underneath a window if you've got an obstructed wall. This is a lean-to version, so it will go against a wall or a fence. If it goes against a wall, it's nice and warm in the winter time because the wall is acting like a storage heater, absorbing the heat and then giving it off in the evening time. It's glazed in toughened safety glass, so it's very strong and durable, but the safety glass allows plenty of light in and it also traps the heat. So in the early springtime, it's nice and warm in there. And you've got easy access. The doors slide for access and also ventilation. So the ventilation is excellent in the summertime. With the doors wide open, it's going to give you plenty of air moving through. So if you've got things like tomatoes or peppers in there, then they're not going to get too hot. In this lower variety, then you'd use bush tomatoes, things like peppers you can have in there as well. Inside you've got 2 seed tray shelves. There's one there and one down here. There's a whole series of holes against the on the back leg of the greenhouse, so you can change the spacing depending on what plants you've got on there. And if you don't want to use the shelves, they'll either drop flat against the back or you can take them out completely. So in the summertime you can have it full of other plants. You've also got a watering system in there. There's a little tiny nozzle here that is connected back to an inlet at the far end, and that will connect to a hose, and you turn the tap on for a few minutes and the watering will come on, spray the whole frame and save you having to get inside and water with a watering can. So it's very useful. If you go away, you can put a timer on it and then it's completely automated, and you can add an automatic louver vent to this model. So that would fit in the end here, and that's got a mechanism that opens and closes the slats depending on the temperature. So again, if you've gone away for the weekend, if you have automatic watering and automatic ventilation, you don't have to worry about the plants inside. Framework itself is architectural aluminium, very, very sturdy, and so this mini greenhouse, this Harlow mini greenhouse, makes a lovely little frame, especially if you haven't got a very big garden.